Okay, this is my new Google Pixel 2. I'm having some issues with the device. Specifically, I'm hearing a ticking noise from the side of the phone where you put your ear when you're on a phone call. The sound happens when the screen is on. So right now, I'm going to put the phone up to the camera's microphone, and there shouldn't be any noise then. So now I'm going to unlock the phone, and I'll put the phone back up to the DSLR microphone. Okay. So you should be able to hear that. It's fairly faint on camera, but in person I can hear in this quiet room from about probably 6 inches away from my ear. So when you're making a phone call, it's actually very prominent. Unless you're driving or in a noisy environment, it's pretty loud relative to the phone call. The other thing to notice is that when the screen is on, and I have the camera open. So now I have the camera open. I'm putting the phone is now next to the microphone. And from my experience, the ticking sound is not there when I have the camera app open. So I don't know if, I'm guessing, my theory is that it has something to do with the optical image stabilization on the camera. That's just a theory, but that's the only thing I can think of. Again, screen on. I'll hold the phone up to the microphone on the DSLR. And this is just the built-in microphone on my Canon DSLR, nothing special. So anyways, I hope this explains my issue with my new Google Pixel 2. Thanks.